Welcome to our institute. Today we are going to discuss about the concept and calculation of moment. What is moment and how to calculate all these things we are going to discuss. So first of all, what do you mean by the moment? Moment is nothing but the force which causes the रोटेशन इन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. अभी यहाँ पर देखिए, दिस हैंड इज ट्राइंग टू मूव दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस डायरेक्शन और इट जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रोटेट द ऑब्जेक्ट अबाउट दिस मेटल. और कहने का मतलब इस मेटल के सर्कुलर डायरेक्शन में इस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम रोटेट करना चाहते हैं, तो इसके लिए हमको मोमेंट अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. सो दैट मोमेंट इज़ नथिंग बट द फोर्स दैट इज़ अप्लाइड ओवर द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट और द पॉइंट एट विच वी वांट टू रोटेट द ऑब्जेक्ट. मतलब इस पॉइंट के अबाउट हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट को रोटेट करना चाहते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर अप्लाइंग फोर्स फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. फोर्स का जो इफ़ेक्ट है यहाँ पर अप्लाई करने से यहाँ पर महसूस होता है. सो दिस फोर्स इनटू दिस परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज़ नथिंग बट this force into perpendicular distance. This perpendicular distance we want to rotate the object about this point. That is why from this point to this point we just want to rotate. So this force into perpendicular distance is known as the moment. So we can say the tendency of a force to rotate a rigid body about any defined axis is called the moment of the force about the axis. So if we want to measure the moment, simply just take the value of force. Here I have taken the value of force, that is 1 Newton, which because of this 1 Newton I just want to rotate this object about this point. By applying the force of 1 Newton I just want to rotate this object about this point. So at this point the moment will be applied. So what is the value of moment? That is the force into perpendicular distance, that is 1 into 1. So the net torque or moment is known as 1 Newton meter. So unit of moment is 1 Newton meter. So moment can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here you can see a clock. That means the direction of the clock is in this direction, or the clock is rotating in this direction. So this if the moment is applied in this direction, then it will be clockwise. Otherwise in reverse direction it will be anti-clockwise. So here how to know whether the moment is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Suppose we just want to rotate this object about this A point. So here the force 2 kilonewton is applied. Because of 2 kilonewton, what amount of moment, what is the moment value that is applied at A point? That is force into this perpendicular distance. Okay, so force into perpendicular distance, that is 2 into 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So total moment is how much? 0.3 plus 0.3, that is 0.9 plus 0.4, that is 1.3. That is 2 into 1.3 is the value of the moment. But the moment is moving in this direction. So this is nothing but the clockwise direction, because you can see here the clock is rotating in this direction. That is why this is the clockwise direction. So because of 2 kilonewton the force 2 kilonewton force, the moment about A point is clockwise. So like that, whatever be the downward force, सो यहाँ पर आप जितने भी डाउनवर्ड फोर्स देख सकते हैं सबके वजह से ए पॉइंट में जो मोमेंट क्रिएट होगा वो क्लॉकवाइज ही होगा। जो अपवर्ड फोर्स है यहाँ पर एक तो 5 किलो न्यूटन का फोर्स ही है और कुछ फोर्स है नहीं। सो इसलिए 5 किलो न्यूटन के वजह से ए पॉइंट में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोमेंट क्रिएट होगा। यू कैन सी राइट दिस। ओके, so that means the metal will bend in this direction. The metal will bend in this direction. So the moment will create at anti-clockwise direction, or in this because of downward force the metal will bend in this direction. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of anti-clockwise and clockwise moment. So what is the value of total moment that is applied at a point? So total three downward forces are there, that is 3 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton and 2 kilonewton, and the distance of the force from the a point is also given, and one upward force that is 5 kilonewton is given. So here we can calculate the moment. So total moment is that 2 kilonewton into 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.4. Okay, so here we have taken the sign for clockwise direction from this side is positive. Okay, the sign for clockwise is positive. Okay, sorry, negative. Here we have taken negative value for clockwise, and for anti-clockwise we have taken the value of positive. Okay, for anti-clockwise we have taken the value of positive. For clockwise it is negative, anti-clockwise it is positive. So here we can write that is minus 2 kilonewton into 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 meter. So for 5 kilonewton that is anti-clockwise, so it will be positive, and perpendicular distance is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, and for 2 kilonewton that will be clockwise and distance is 0.3 plus 0.3, and for remaining 3 kilonewton force that is 0.3 is the perpendicular distance, so we can say minus 3 into 0.3. So by total adding the by the taking the algebraic summation of all the moments, we can get the total moment is equal to minus 0.2 kilonewton meter, which is acting at A. So the direction is here, since the negative sign is come, negative sign is there with the moment, that is why you can say that is 0.2 kilonewton meter is the clockwise moment. So here the moment will be in this direction. Here also it is written. So I hope you have understood the concept of moment. If you have any doubt, then you can give me your comment in comment section. Thank you.